This is our environment, that is chapter 1, grade 5. Here's a question: for which one do animals depend on plants? So here's the option. So here you can see this is animals and plants here live together one environment. So for which one? Is this light, water, food, or air? What do you think? That is the most important things, that is food. All right, food, that is the reason. Let's go next one. So what is ecosystem? So you can see here, that is, here is a different type of plants, here is a water, here is a living things and non-living things. That is the non-living things, living things, animal, here different type of sunlight. All right, so that is ecosystem. Living things and non-living things that exist, that means they are present and interact. So interact in one place, that is called ecosystem. That means they need each other to survive in the environment. That is the reason. Okay, so let's go next one. So you can see here, this is an animal and this is a flower, this is a plant. Plants and animals, they need each other for food. What is pollination? What is pollination? What do you think? So pollination, that is the transfer of pollen. This is a pollen, small, very tiny pollen from one flower to another flower. When bee is coming here to suck the honey, that time this pollen is stuck on the body. Whenever they go another flower, so another flower, maybe this is another flower, so here is also pollen here. So this bee will be flying here and suck honey here. That time, that is transfer one flower to another flower. So that is for what? That is the reason. What's the reason? Reason is making seeds. That is the reason. So here's the definition: transfer of pollen from one flower to another flower so that plants can make seeds. That is the reason. Let's go next one. So here you can see this is food web, guys. So here is a different type of plants and animals living together, and they are depend for food. For example, flowering plants and lavenders eaten by butterfly, and butterfly eaten by dragonfly, frog eaten by eagle. So this is a web. This is like a spider web. So this web name is food web. That is the energy, that is the way energy flow one organism to another organism. So question is, what is food web? So several food chains. Several means many food chains connecting, that is connected each other together make a food web. Is there no flower, butterfly will die. There is no butterfly, frog will die. No grasshopper, then rat or frog will be die, because they are depend, right? Very easy things, guys. You just think about that. What are the difference between food chain and food web? So here, this is the same thing here. The path of food energy in an ecosystem from plants to animals. So here is a plants, that is the grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, and eagle. So that is the path of food energy in an ecosystem, plants to animals, that is called food chain, and several food chains connected together are called food web. That is the many food chains. Here is many food chains, and it establishes the relationship between different plants and animals. That is the relationship between it indicates the relationship between different food chains, And food chain begins with green plants. It's start here, green plants. And food web does not begin with any specific elements. And in an ecosystem, what happen in an ecosystem, that is several food chains can exist. That means several many food chains can exist in an ecosystem. That means they are present in an ecosystem. Only one food web can exist, only one food web. Ether factors and disjunctives may not exist together. So here is a may not. You need to see what's the negative things, what's the positive things. This is the difference between food chain and food web. Disjunctives. So ether, eagle is a ether, factor. So here is a factor, different type of factors here. Disjunctives. Disjunctives means separate or divide or not connected. That is the exist not may not exist together. And ether factors and disjunctives, here is a exist. That is the positive things, and here is the negative things. All right, let's go next one. Next question. So here you can see this is a diagram. This is some seeds is flying. You can see they are flying, they are going where they don't know. All right, so why seed dispersal is important for plants? Why seed dispersal is important? Seed dispersal, is it important? What do you think? Pause the video, think about that. So yeah, so let's see the answer. So seed dispersal, that is the process. This is a process, that is the seeds, maybe it's flying here another place, maybe it's go another country, there is a mountain, and this seed is trying to planting here, this place, another country or another place, is maybe it's Bangladesh, it's flying to India, and they are planting here and they are producing seeds here. So this is a process which seeds are scattered, seeds are scattered away from mother plant, that is the parent plants. It's like a children. Whenever children are growing, they are just flying another country and they are survived there. So this is seed dispersal. So seed dispersal means transport of seeds away. Away from where? That is parent plants, that is the mother plant. It is very important for, because what's the reason? It helps create new colonies. Whenever you go another country, I told you this is maybe India, there is a making a baby and they are making a colony, another place, another environment for, that is the if it does not occur properly, what happen? Then animals including humans will suffer from scarcity of food. Scarcity means lack of food or and shelter. So as a result, the balance of biodiversity will be hampered. Biodiversity means that is varieties of plants and animals will be hampered. Besides, if seed dispersal does not take place properly, large number of plants, some species, so species means a group of living organism, that is a group of plants and animals will grow at the same place, and eventually nutrition of other plants will be hampered. For example, if you live in a Bangladesh, here is a mango, maybe not good enough mango, or apple, it will be apple is not good enough. So if you eat the seeds, or if you buy it, and if you fly to another country and you sit here and eat it, and this seed will be scattered here, so that way, here is a also apple or strawberry. Nowadays a strawberry also available in Bangladesh. So that way they can scattered away from mother plant and is go another place, and that place people also can eat in. So yeah, that is the seed dispersal. So many reasons, guys. Here's another question. Describe the correct sequence of food chain that has the following things: eagle, grasses, insect, snake, and frog. Describe the correct sequence. So here is a sequence you can see here. That is a grass, insect, frog, and snake. Let me show you. So the correct sequence of food chain, that way you can write the answer. Some students asking me how I will write the answer, so that is important for you, how you will write the answer. So you need to write also explanation. The sun is the source of all energy, and grass produces its own food by using the energy of the sunlight, and insect live on grasses. So again, frog takes insects as food. And in this way, snake eats frog. That means grass eaten by grasshopper, that is the insects, and grasshopper eaten by frog, and frog eaten by snake, and snake eaten by eagle. So in this way, energy flows. So energy is flow from grass to eagle. That's the reason, guys. All right, so next one. What is the main source of energy? What is the main source? This is definitely sun. Sun is the main source of energy. What is the mutual dependency? What is mutual dependency, or what do you mean by mutual dependency? What do you think? So any interdependent, or you can say mutual beneficial relationship between two person. It will be plant or it will be animals also, or groups. This is called mutual dependency. All right, let's go next one. So here is a fill in the blanks. So guys, you need to this is your homework. All right, so pause the video, write down the answer and check it. All right, that way you can improve your science. So here is the answer. After finish writing, you check it, how much marks you get. All right. So this is a project, guys. You can do it, food chain model. So you make it, you do it, you hang it. This is wonderful. You can do it because science, you know, you need to do some project, do some experiment, observe the environment. That way you can improve your science, improve your understanding. All right, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video.